In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to SEO optimize GoHighLevel websites. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your Launchpad. This is your main starting dashboard where you can access all the tools inside the platform. From here, we're going to navigate to the website section so we can adjust the SEO settings for a specific page. On the left-hand side, click on Sites. This opens up everything related to your funnels and websites. Once that loads, click on Websites. You'll now see a list of all the websites you've created inside your account. Choose the website you want to optimize and click on it. This will open all the pages that belong to that particular site. Pick one page you'd like to work on and click Edit. That takes you straight into the page builder where you normally adjust your design and content. At the top of the page builder, look for the SEO metadata icon in the horizontal bar and click on it. This is where all your main SEO settings live. At the top of this section, you'll notice an SEO preview. It shows how your page is likely to appear in search results as you make changes, which is super helpful for checking your title and description in real time. Now, start with the Content tab. Click on it, then click into the field for the meta title and type in a clear, keyword-rich title for the page. Aim for something that accurately describes the page and would make someone want to click from Google. Next, click into the meta description field. Here, add a short summary of what the page is about, ideally including your main keyword and a call to action. This is what users often read before deciding to visit your site. Then, move over to keywords. Click on it, and in the field provided, add a few relevant keywords or key phrases that describe the content of the page. Focus on terms your ideal visitors might actually search for. Click on Author and add the name of the person or brand responsible for the content. This can help give your page more credibility. Next, click Social Image. Here, either upload an image or paste the URL of an image you want to use when the page is shared on social platforms. Choose something clear, on brand, and visually engaging. After that, click on Links and Tags. This is where you can add any custom meta tags or canonical links. Use this if you need more advanced control. For example, to avoid duplicate content issues by pointing to a preferred URL. If necessary, click on Language and adjust the language settings so they match the primary language of your page. This helps search engines understand your audience better. Once you're happy with everything, scroll down and click on Update SEO Meta. This saves all your changes and applies the SEO settings